Master English in 6 minutes. Intro. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have a complete 6 minutes English lesson where you learn 3 powerful skills. First, vocabulary 10 daily words you can start using right away. Second, grammar 1 important rule explained in a simple way. And third, speaking practice real conversations for daily life. Stay with me till the end, because this one session will make you more confident in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1, Vocabulary Boost. Let's start with vocabulary. I'll give you 10 very useful words. Repeat after me and try to imagine a sentence about your own life. 1. Confident, sure about yourself. Example, she is confident about her exam. Repeat, I am confident about my English. 2. Polite, respectful. Example, always be polite when talking to elders. 3. Busy, having a lot to do. Example, he is busy with his work. 4. Delicious, very tasty. Example, this cake is delicious. 5. Comfortable, relaxed. Example, this chair is very comfortable. Quick check which word means tasty. Yes, delicious. 6. Important, something that matters. Example, it is important to learn English. 7. Excited, very happy about something coming. Example, the children are excited about the trip. 8. Simple, easy to understand. Example, this rule is simple. 9. Quickly, fast. Example, he runs quickly. 10. Brave, showing courage. Example, the soldier was brave. Now tell me which word describes you today? Confident? Busy? Excited? Leave your answer in the comments. Part 2, Grammar made simple. Great job! Let's move to grammar. Today's topic is the past tense, how to talk about yesterday or the past. Rule? For most verbs, add ed. Example, play, played. But some verbs are irregular. Example, go, went, eat, ate. Examples. I played football yesterday. She went to school last week. We ate dinner at 8 p.m. Now let's practice. I'll give you sentences. Change them into past tense. I go to the park. I went to the park. She eats an apple. She ate an apple. They play cricket. They played cricket. He reads a book. He read a book. We watch TV. We watched TV. Well done. Past tense is simple if you remember these rules. Part 3, Speaking Practice. Now, let's practice real conversations. Listen, repeat, and imagine you are speaking with someone. Conversation 1, at a shop. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's 500 rupees. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. Repeat, excuse me, how much is this shirt? Conversation 2, introducing yourself. Hello, my name is Rahul. What's your name? Hi, I'm Ankit. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now, practice by introducing yourself in the comments. Conversation 3, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? It's over there. Thank you so much. Great work. These are real sentences you can use every day. Part 4, Quick Revision Games. Time for a quick game. I'll ask, you answer. 1. Which word means very tasty? Delicious. To change to past tense, she goes to school. She went to school. 3. What do you say in a shop? Excuse me, how much is this? Well done. You're learning fast. Outro. Congratulations. In just 6 minutes, you learned 10 daily words, 1 grammar rule, and 3 real conversations. If you practice daily, your English will improve very quickly. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite new word from today's lesson. See you in the next class. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay confident in your English.